Hi, welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Johan, and this week's guest is the Aston Martin by Lesney. The model was introduced in 1958 with grey wheels and in a light metallic green coat. A very simple model without windows or interior, but it's also a very valuable model if you can find it in mint condition. In its final year in 1962, the model received the black regular wheels and was painted metallic red. The model is based on the Aston Martin DB2, which was a follow-up to the DB2. The DB2 featured extra rear seats and a rear trunk. Where the windscreen of the DB2 consisted of two pieces, the DB2 did away with that and came with a single-piece windscreen. The bumpers were enlarged and headlights were put higher up on the front wings. Well, what can I say, this model looks like it was dropped in a bucket of paint. 4 buckets at least. Under the off-white top layer you can see a faint layer of red, but this still is not the original color. The thick layers cover the detailing of this casting and are all over the wheels. The grey wheels with the crimped axles indicate that this is a very early metallic green model. However, this model won't get any more valuable than it is now. I already have a near mint green model, so this one will be metallic red. And of course, I will give it back the detailing it once had. So let's go out to tools and give this model a makeover. The Aston Martin DB2 and its successor, the DB2 form, were not as famous as the DB5 that gained fame thanks to James Bond movies. Nevertheless, they are classic British sports car history. It became the 53rd Matchbox model and the first metallic green edition is quite valuable. However, this one went through the hands of several young owners who each painted it in their favorite color, resulting in several thick layers of paint. The car looks like it lost a lot of weight with all that paint gone. The metallic red version only existed with black regular wheels, but I was tempted to use it on this grey wheels version. I added the detailing according to what would have been done at the Lesney factory. Love to see those details in the casting after having been covered under paint for all these years. If you enjoy my videos, please leave me a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and tick the notification bell. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.